First of all, we want to just highlight a few things about the rods and the cones. Now, the rods, as I have just said, highly sensitive and can detect dim light, and so you want these. You want more of these because you want to detect as much of a range of light than just a bit with high acuity, like the cones, which are responsible for the daylight vision. High acuity, they mediate color vision, and they're on the fovea component. So the rods, they are more photosensitive, okay, than the cones. So that distribution is what I want to talk about. So you find that they are, if you have an eyeball, okay, find that, okay, if the fovea is that side, okay, find that the rods are more on this end, okay, right, so we have more rods, and then the cones are more on the fovea end here, okay, fovea, and we have just a little bit sporadic, okay, on this end, whilst you also have a little bit of the rods happening. So this is the distribution, okay. Now if we, okay, this is what happened. If we want to look at their distribution in a graphical way, we can start by looking at the fovea, okay. So the fovea centralis can be there in the center, and then I can put, let's say, distance away from the fovea, okay, distance away from the fovea, and then this one maybe is going to the temporal side, and the other side is the nasal side. This one can stand for the density, whilst this one is for distance. So distance this side. So what's going to happen, let's start with the cones, is first of all, they have the highest amount of cones right here in the fovea. And as you go to the peripheral temporal side, you find that they reduce in number. And even this side, as you go to the peripheral, so you hit a snag there. All right. So this is the optic disc. So as you go to the nasal side, you find the optic disc there, and there's no rods or no cones. So before they continue, you find nothingness there, and then they continue. Okay, then if we're talking about the cones, there's nothing on the fovea, so you will see that from the fovea, that is when they'll start going up, okay, and then as they go towards the peripheral, they're more than the cones, but they'll start decreasing, and this is the same on the other side. But when they reach the optic disc, again, there's nothing, and then as they go towards the side, you find that they also decrease, but they're more than the cones. So these are the rods, and these are the cones. Okay, so this is their distribution.